YouTube, what's going on? Your weekend gardener here, out here in the man cave, looking at some of my trees, and I never did a follow-up to my, what is it called, a Bella, Georgia? Yeah, my Bella, Georgia, that I got from a big box store. Never did an update on it, but I think the last time I showed you this, I was either planting it in here or up potting, or I showed it when it was flowering. Well, we're at June, June 15th, and this is what we're looking like right now. Not bad for a first year tree, blooming out, budding, and now fruit. Not bad. So what I did this year, of course, is I covered everything up because my birds and squirrels, the groundhog can't get up here, but the birds and squirrels will just attack. Um, but it looks like we're going to get some fruit off of this, and stay tuned for a taste test.